Well, congratulations, first of all, on achieving the A certificate. I mean, have you enjoyed being on the coaching course here in Wales?
Yeah, very much so. Osh allowed me to be here with the under 16 and for the preparation of the two games against Poland. I already knew that the Welsh football obviously is going in the right direction, not only winning back-to-back victory shields and qualifying now with the under 17, under 18, and obviously with the first team, as we all know. But I saw it even from a closer range, being with the team, training session and preparing the game on how they have a certain philosophy, a certain identity. It's almost becoming a Welsh way of playing the game, and they're trying to do that throughout their youth system and obviously with the first team. So that's fair play to everybody involved. So obviously allowing me to see that and see it and passing my badges here, it's amazing. And obviously now I just passed my license, so I'm delighted about that. But even more so delighted to be able to see what's happening and the way Welsh football is going forward.
And very importantly, you acknowledged everybody in the room today, not just those who are in the forefront of everything, but those in the back room who maybe don't get the recognition in the press and media.
You need everybody to be involved. Obviously, people will see the team qualifying for the Euro, but they don't actually know what's happening behind closed doors. And obviously, you guys, the press, and people at the offices dealing with stuff that the players don't have to deal with, and the coaching staff doesn't want to deal with sometime. And it's all about preparing the Euro for the fans, for the team. So you guys deserve also a massive round of applause, if I can say, because you are doing a lot for that team, and make sure that team can only concentrate on performing and qualifying, and that's what they did. But everybody's involved, together, stronger, exactly, right? So that's the main thing.
And you've had a warm Welsh welcome. We look forward to a welcome from the French in the summer. Everybody, as you can tell, is very excited about the prospect of going to the Euros, not surprisingly.
You are in a good part of France. Brittany is amazing. People in Dinard will, I think, welcome you with open arms, as I'm sure you already noticed going there for the preparation of it. Very humble. They're really willing to help. You will notice that yourself when you're going to be there on a daily basis. And I think there is a bit of a history, cultural history also that you. I mean, obviously I can't speak Welsh, but they have also their own dialect there. So maybe you guys understand each other. I don't know, but we will see. You'll tell me when I see you next. No, it's a nice place. Don't get me wrong. And also the training facilities are very close to the hotel and the airport close to the hotel or whatever. So it's very important for the recovery of the players.
And just finally on yourself, are we likely to see Thierry Henry the coach in the near future, or is that just one option that you have, do you think?
I don't know. Right now I'm really happy that I passed my A license, and what's going to come next, I don't control the future, but you need to be equipped for it.